Hello everyone, my name is Zvonimir and I'm coming from Faculty of Geodesy, University of Zagreb, and today I will present you the paper titled Reducing Gap Between Business and Academia in Introducing Modern Technologies from GEOBIZ Project Approach. GEOBIZ is new Erasmus Plus capacity building in higher education project, which coordinator is University of Zagreb, Faculty of Geodesy team, led by our professor Zeljko in cooperation with assistant professor Vesna POSLONCEC-PETRIC, who are also authors of these papers. So let's start with a brief info about the Erasmus Plus, which is, as many of you know, the European program to support education, training, youth and sport in Europe, with currently budget of 14.7 billion euros, which should be doubled in the new period from 2021 to 2027. Erasmus provides different opportunities for a wide range of organizations such as universities, education and training providers, research organizations, and private businesses. Erasmus Plus projects such as our GEOBIZ project, among other things, should focus on sharing, developing and transferring innovative practices in education, training and youth provision between participating countries. GEOBIZ project is a part of the capacity building projects in the field of higher education, which are transnational cooperation projects based on multilateral partnerships. They support the modernization, accessibility, and internationalization of higher education in the partner countries and promote cooperation between program and eligible partner countries. They promote voluntary convergence with EU development in higher education and promote people-to-people contacts, intercultural awareness and understanding. Now let's see what are the key drivers for establishing the GEOBIZ project and in what field our work is based. As many of you know, in today's world, more than a half of the data has the spatial component, so we can say that the geospatial data are one of the major drivers of today's information society. More geospatial data than ever is being created by various sensors, and this data is used for an increasing number of scientific and practical purposes that aim to benefit the world. It is very important how these data are collected, analyzed, visualized, and distributed to make them fit for the specific use. The new technologies which support these actions are the core of the Geoinformatics. The Geoinformatics ecosystem consists of the three main stakeholder groups: educators, developers of the ecosystem, and very broad spectrum of users. In developed countries, stakeholder groups' capacity and contribution to ecosystem are in a balance, supporting each other, and the less developed countries, this balance does not exist. The geoinformatic business sector follows technology development, while academic sector has issues with these changes. Result of that is that academic sector does not produce adequate professionals with necessary knowledge and skills ready for immediate inclusion in business sector. With already acute lack of ICT educated professionals, we are facing situation which has consequences on user uptake and now and will have some more consequences in the future. Before GEOBIZ project, two Erasmus Plus projects with similar thematic were launched. These are GeoWeb and Best SDI project, which detected in the target countries in the field of geoinformatics several problems, such as academic capacities in geoinformatics are low in the number and scattered. Geoinformatics or related curricula are not updated, especially regarding skills, and do not deliver knowledge and skills about the newest technological developments. Exchanging information between business and academia sector is very weak, and sector do not provide sufficient support to each other in solving their problems and development. And all of this mentioned above are the main reason why GEOBIZ project was proposed and launched. GEOBIZ projects aim to address part of this general problem related to the questions which will support academia sector to modernize in line with the technologies and conceptual changes in geoinformatics, and develop geoinformatics studies which will deliver new bachelor and masters to business sector well prepared for business environment and contribute visibility to growth. Projects have three major target groups. First one is higher education student. Second one is a higher education teacher, both in the field of geoinformatics and related study program and courses, and geoinformatics business sector companies. There are also three secondary target groups, which include professionals in the field of geoinformatics, geodesy, ICT, and related disciplines, higher education providing studies in the field of geoinformatics and related courses, and governmental authorities, public administration, and agencies. The main project objective is strengthening the capacity of academia institution becoming able better to respond on needs of the emerging geoinformatics industries, with emphasis on establishing new and innovative forms of the business academia cooperation to support interaction in teaching learning processes in geoinformatics. Also, establishment of business academia platforms supporting excellences in geoinformatics, developing innovative teacher training programs and practical teaching learning methodologies and content for technology-based countries in geoinformatics linked on business-driven needs and experience, and implementing state-of-the-art techniques in geoinformatics teaching processes. And how we intended to achieve these main objectives. Following the good practices from developed countries in business academia cooperation, model for such cooperation will be developed in the partner countries, taking in consideration conditions of their economic, academia, and social system. Fourteenth model will be innovative in approach of mobilization of available geoinformatics business and academia resources. Business-driven problems-based learning will be introduced on higher education, resulting afterwards in the well-skilled geoinformatic experts. Due to the fast changes of technologies, problem-based learning approaches has to be open, continuously upgradable from both sides and especially students. As I already mentioned, GEOBIZ project coordinator is University of Zagreb with 17 other partners from Europe. As you can see from the list below, partners are from 9 different countries, including Belgium, Croatia, Germany, Serbia, Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Kosovo, Moldova, and Montenegro. First 7 listed partners are from program countries and others are from the partner countries. We also have 5 associate partners and 1 subcontracted consultant from Sweden. The official start of project was 15th of November 2019, and project was launched this year in February when project kickoff meeting was held in Zagreb. On this picture, you can see our partners in the front of the building of Zagreb University taken on our kickoff meeting, and the project will run for the next 3 years. All additional information about our project and many more information you can find on our website geobiz.eu, where you can also download our newsletter and follow the progress of our project. We are also active on the social media, so you can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and ResearchGate. And now I will play you the short video where you can see our partners' expectation of this project.
At first, we expect to continue with the cooperation that we successfully had on the previous Best SDI project. So this is the first thing that we expect, and we of course expect to go even more to have a new capacity building experience, and we are actually looking forward to all events that we will have during the next 3 years.
It is very important because we are a young company mostly devoted to innovation and research. And we are very connected with the University of Belgrade, so connection with other universities is also very important for us. We are also connected with universities in the Netherlands and in Greece, and we have another research and innovative projects. So we expect that we are going to learn in this project, and also we expect that universities are going to get some feedback from us and maybe learn something from business part of this project.
KU Leuven, University of Leuven in Belgium, has been involved in also previous projects in the region. This one is more focusing on the collaboration between academic sector and the private sector. And I think it's very important also for the region here that there is new developments ongoing, technological, and a lot of things are happening in the private sector. And I hope this project will bring the academic and the private sector together to modernize the curricula here, but also our university can profit from this and also exchange experience with the colleagues here in the region.
We see in many European countries that this type of cooperation is, it has some defects and obstacles. So we need all kind of tools and all kind of incentives to speed up and to foster such a cooperation. And what we expect is also that this is a multinational project, so there are several countries involved, and I expect that the universities in all countries and also the business partners in the different countries will collaborate and form new alliances to tackle our problems for today.
Well, that will be all from us for now. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any other question, please contact us on our website or by this email. Best regards from Zagreb. Bye.